How to get a dealer license in New York 2025. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. Let's get started. In step number 1, understand the requirements. First off, you need to know that in New York, you must have a dealer license if you plan to sell more than 5 vehicles within a year. This applies whether you are selling from a physical location or online. So if you are serious about this business, getting license is not negotiable. Get your certificate of authority. Next, apply for your certificate of authority through the New York State Department of Taxation and Finance. This certificate allows you to collect tax and issue tax exemption certificates. You can complete this application online, and once approved, you will receive your certificate by mail. Remember, no taxable sales can happen until you have the certificate. In step number 3, secure a surety bond. Now let's talk about the surety bond. This bond is financial guarantee that protects consumer against potential misconduct by dealers. You will need to obtain this bond before submitting your license application. The bond amount will vary based on your dealership type, but expect it to be around $15,000. Step 4, prepare for the application process. Gather all the necessary documents for your application. This includes proof of identification for everyone listed on your application, business formation documents, and your surety bond certificate. You will also need to provide details about your dealership location, including signage that meets state requirements. Pass the on-site inspection. After submitting your application and documents, an inspector will visit your dealership location to ensure compliance with state regulation. Make sure your dealership has visible signage and meets all facility requirements. That's it.